What is up, guys? It's Minnow Shark here, and welcome to Simple Planes. Many of you guys greatest music ever. Anyway, many of you guys have probably played it, and I have I posted some more videos like rocket fails and stuff. Probably gonna have to do another rocket fail because I put number 1. I'm gonna have to make a playlist. So we're gonna do some scenarios, I guess it's called. First, we're gonna do. Oh no, wait. The other ones are just like books: building, ground school, flying, and weapons. Yeah, this is just gonna show. Okay, so here we go. Good. Now wait until your speed reaches 80 miles per hour. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Pull back. 1,000 feet. 5, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. You have successfully taken off. Now let's do a ground dive. Whoop, just kidding. No, seriously, we're gonna die. Wow, that was very blunt. Okay. Oh, I pressed play again. Now we're gonna do landing practice. Oh, great, my favorite one. So that was takeoff practice. This one's landing practice. Find a sweet spot and hold it. Right there's a sweet spot. Doing good so far. Pull back on the brake. I've landed, yay! So let's just go to, I'm gonna go to Sandbox and show you some things I've built. Oh, crap. I forgot about this work in progress. This is my work in progress so far. I forgot how to use it. Hold on. Start taking off, drop that, and start up the engine. There. I can hit 1,000 miles per hour with this, I think, if I can remember. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000 miles per hour. Goodbye. So that was that rocket thing. I have all kinds that I made. I made a car. Oh, no, that's just, sorry. I made a car. I'm not going to drive it because it lags like crazy, but underneath we have the motors, and it actually makes it kind of sound like a car. And you're also able to drop it lower, so it's like a race car. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I say so myself. And then we have the Cessna concept that doesn't fly. It's pretty much crap. Then the car has weaponry. Then we have the heavy cargo, which is really heavy. Helkiska, I didn't make this one. I don't even know. I think this was one of the rockets that I used in one of my videos, I think. Kicking Fish was made by the game, but I made the Kicking Fish gunner. I just added guns to it. Oh, I broke it. Then we have the land speed record. P-51 Mustang concept. I took the P-51 Mustang and made it better. The engine, the motor, watch. You saw how in the beginning it took a while to take off. Watch how long it takes for this one to take off. And it's very agile. Of course I had to crash it though. Anyway, that's my concept version of the P-51 Mustang. It's better than the normal Mustang. Pigpen I did not make, and honestly I don't fly. I was trying to make something there and it didn't work. This is my successful rocket. And then we have the work in progress version. And then we have the rockets that have failed. What is that mini rocket? That one's E31. This one's R66. This is T22R. The TR92 and the Y20. Okay, Seaplane is all the games. Then I have the Speeder. And then the Spider V. Suicide Rocket. This is the final version of the Suicide Rocket. We have the Suicide Rocket concept. This was the first version. Suicide Rocket work in progress. Suicide Rocket work in progress Speed Demon 1. Suicide Rocket work in progress Speed Demon 2. This is a little bit of change. Thing 1. Twin Prop and Vertigo and Wasp is part of the game. Wasp usable, I just made it so the rockets and bombs and stuff work. And then what? The absolute... I'm gonna fly this one, although it doesn't really fly. As you can see, it's part of the Suicide Rocket. It's something that I was just messing around with. Okay. First of all, we're out of fuel. Second of all, I don't know what just happened. Oh yeah, I forgot it floats. Okay. I'm gonna leave this video here. If you enjoyed and you want more simple planes, leave a like. If you want to ask questions, you can always leave a question in the comments, or you can comment in the comments.